Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valentina if you're new to my channel, and today we're going to talk about makeup trends. These are 8 different makeup trends that I think you should at least consider to try this 2021. But before we even start this video, I want to take a moment to welcome all of you guys that are new to this channel. Everyone who has subscribed, thank you so much. Welcome to this family. I am so shocked and excited and thankful to all of you guys that have decided to subscribe and just be a part of this dream. Thank you so much. I see you. Don't forget to write in the comments everything that you want to see in this channel, every idea that you have. Even if for some reason I don't reply, know that I am reading every single comment and that I am really trying to reply to everyone, but it's really hard to keep up. But I do read every single one of the comments. So every idea that you have, anything that you want to see in this channel, just leave it down in the comments and I will be reading and taking note of all of that. Back to the video, we're going to talk about the makeup trends that you really need to try this 2021. I'm not really someone that will follow every single trend. I am not really comfortable using whatever just because it's trendy. So if there's one trend that you really don't feel comfortable using or trying, don't use it. You do you, do whatever works for you. But in these 8 trends that I'm going to talk about, I really suggest that you step a little bit out of your comfort zone and at least try it out. This is makeup, you guys. Let's have fun with it. If you don't like it, you can take it off. You don't have to go and work with blue mascara like me today, but at least give it a try. And if you don't like it, you can just take it off and never do it again. But have fun playing with makeup. Let's take this a little bit less seriously and just have fun and use makeup as a way of expressing, as a way of just playing and having fun. Because of everything that has been going on in the world, we are spending most of our time with our face partially covered. So most of the trends of this 2021 are focused on our eyes. Basically, everything that's going to bring attention to our eyes is welcome this year. Let's start addressing the elephant in the room, and it's colored mascara. If you have never tried colored mascara, this is the moment. You can find them everywhere. Most of the brands are doing at least one different color of mascara apart from black, and you should give it a go. This is a very easy way to change up your look, give it something different. You don't have to be very bold and go for yellow mascara, but at least using something like this that is blue mascara, you don't really have to learn a new skill or be good at makeup. You just have to use a different color mascara and it's going to change your look completely. It's going to make it fun. You're going to be able to play with it. And imagine having your face covered and just having different colored mascara. It's going to make your look way more interesting and fun. So play with it, play with different colors. The second trend that we're going to talk about is eyeliner. Since last year, eyeliner has been a very big trend. Again, it's a very easy way to bring attention to the eye without doing something very different. Just the same eyeliner that you usually do, but play with different colors, pastels, blues, purples, all of these different colors. Try to move away of that usual black and you will change your look very easily and have fun with your makeup. And this brings me to the next trend, which is different eyeliners, so graphic eyeliners. If you decided that you don't want to go with the colored eyeliner, that's fine. You can still change your look using graphic eyeliners. So really playing around with shapes of eyeliner. And if you're willing to do this with a colored eyeliner, even better. But you know, even if you still want to use the usual black eyeliner, that's still very trendy. But I will suggest that you try a different kind of technique or at least a different color, and I promise you will have fun and it's not going to be that hard. The next trend I wanted to talk about is about wearing different colors in your eyeshadows. Even using just one color of eyeshadow all around your eye, try different greens, pinks, purples, especially purple eyeshadow and green eyeliner, for example. Not at the same time, of course, but well, you do you, but I mean, green eyeliners are very in, and purple eyeshadow. You can see it everywhere in TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. But in general, I think that just colorful eyeshadows are going to do the trick. And that brings me to the next trend that, again, everything that will bring attention to your eyes, you want that. So try not just playing with color, but with texture as well. So metallic eyeshadows are also great to use this year 2021. Try mixing different techniques, textures, colors, and just have fun with your eyes. Basically, what I can see that's coming for this year is basically have fun with your makeup. Play with colors, try different things. You have your face covered, so express everything with your eyes. I'm not usually the person that wears very bright or colorful eyeshadows. I think it has come in a very tasteful way. Sometimes a lot of colorful looks can look a little bit, sometimes a little bit tacky, but I feel the way that we're doing skin right now and brows have changed this side of the color a little bit, at least for me. You do whatever makes you feel comfortable. If you don't feel comfortable using bright eyeshadows, or if you are very comfortable using bright eyeshadows, do whatever makes you feel beautiful. That's all I wanted to say about eyes. Now let's move on a little bit to the rest of the face. For the cheeks, juicy cheeks are everything right now. So cream blushes, highlighters, everything that's going to make your cheeks look juicy, that's what you want. I will say just step a little bit away of powder highlighters, powder blushes, and try even using lipsticks as your blush. That's going to give a very luminous and juicy look to your skin, especially for your blush. That's beautiful. Yes, it doesn't have the longevity in your skin as a powder blush would, but it does give a different texture and a different look to your skin, and it's very trendy right now to have luminous skin, glowy skin, but in a juicy way. And then for lips, there are two different colors that are very in right now. One of them is my favorite of all time, is wearing this orange red lipstick. You know, if you have followed me for a while, this is one of my favorite colors of all time. I've been using this, I have no idea, this has always been a trend in my makeup kit. I'm going to link you in the description box some of my favorite red orange lipsticks. Don't be afraid of using this color, applying this color. Don't think that your teeth are going to look yellow. Take that fear off your mind. This year is all about losing the fear of color, losing the fear of makeup, and trying things out. The second color I wanted to talk about is using brown lipstick. I'm going to be honest, this one scared me a little bit. I am one of those that are scared of brown lipstick just because it takes me back to the 90s, and thinking about the brown lip liner and clear gloss really freaks me out. But brown lips are trendy right now. Find a brown lipstick that has a good undertone for you and you're going to love it. I have one favorite right now, which is the Becca. This is with the collection they did with Chloe, and this is in the shade Cupid's Kiss. And I think it's beautiful. I think that you do have to find a brown that with an undertone that works for your skin. It's not really hard, but there are a lot of browns with different undertones, so you can definitely get the wrong one. Try it out, even if you have just a great lip liner that you really like the color but you don't have a lipstick. You can use that as your lipstick and then add a gloss or just a lip balm on top and make it, you know, less dry. You can also try wearing a darker shade on the outside and a lighter shade in the inside and just do a gradient this way. I know it sounds weird, but give it a go. Who knows, maybe you fall in love with it and it turns out to be your perfect nude. Okay everyone, those were all the trends that I wanted to talk about. Leave me in the comments if you have one more trend that you think that everyone should try this year. and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and give me a thumbs up. That really helps me a lot, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao Lin!